I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you when you're gone.
Hi y'all, Akio Hoop here, bringing you another tutorial. This is a fun little combo sequence that involves isolations and a folding cat eye. So I highly recommend you know your horizontal folding cat eyes first, which look like this. All right, let me show the trick to you once and then I'll go step by step for it. Here we go. That's it. So to start off, you're going to have your hoop above your head, both of your hands facing palms up and gripping the hoop. You're going to start by hinging the hoop forwards by gripping and rotating your wrist a little bit forwards like this. Then you're going to isolate from the outside your hoop to the right like this. I mean, you can go left too, but for this tutorial in particular, I'll be going to the right, so just do the opposite if you go the other way. You have your hoop, palms facing to the left, hands on the right. You're gonna push the hoop all the way to the left this direction and swing it up and round this way and do a half smear. So you're gonna be here, you're gonna half smear like this. Then you're going to go into your folding cat eye. Currently I have my palms on, or my hands on the right side of my hoop, palms facing outwards. I'm going to fold the hoop this way as I isolate this way. Let me do it one more time. Start up here, palms facing up, grip the hoop, hinge it forward, go to the right, push it to the left, swing it up and around in a smear, and folding cat eye. All right, I'll show one more time in slow-mo. I keep doing two, but I mean one. One more time in slow-mo, and let me know if you guys have any questions at all.